Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable maintenance mode on your Shopify website. Whether you're planning updates, revamping your store, or simply need temporary downtime, putting your site into maintenance mode is an essential skill. It allows you to work behind the scenes while ensuring your visitors know you're doing some updates. Here's how you can do that smoothly. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about why enabling maintenance mode is so important. When you're making changes to your website, whether it's updating product listings, tweaking the design, or implementing new features, you want to make sure your customers aren't seeing an incomplete or broken version of your site. Maintenance mode helps you manage this by displaying a friendly message, keeping your customers informed, and preventing them from experiencing any disruption while you work behind the scenes. Let's start by navigating to the left-hand side of your Shopify admin dashboard. Here you'll see a series of options. But for our purpose, we need to focus on the online store section. Click on that and it will expand, showing you several subsections. From this expanded menu, select Preferences. This is where you'll find the settings necessary to enable a password for your site, essentially activating maintenance mode. Within the Preferences section, you'll notice the option for password protection. This feature allows you to restrict access to your website, meaning only people with the password can enter. To enable this, simply check the appropriate box to activate password protection. Now, you'll need to create a password. Make sure it's something secure yet easy for you to remember. Type out the password you want to use in the input field provided. This will be the key your visitors need to access your website during maintenance. When choosing a password, try to use a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. This will make your site more secure, especially if you're handling sensitive customer information. We've now activated maintenance mode by adding a password, but let's take it a step further and customize the way your maintenance page appears. You'll want this page to communicate clearly with anyone who visits your site during this time. Head over to your site editor, which can also be found in the online store section. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top of the page for the drop-down menu containing your different page titles. Click on this menu, and from the list, select Password Page. Now that you're on the password page, it's time to make it visually appealing and informative. You have the flexibility to edit the text and design elements to make sure it aligns with the voice and style of your brand. Consider adding a friendly message to inform your customers about why your site is down and include any relevant information on when you expect to be back online. This not only helps maintain transparency, but also enhances customer relationships by showing them you care about their experience. Additional customization ideas. Add your store logo or a branded background image to the maintenance page for a cohesive look. Include social media links or a contact email address so customers can reach out if they have urgent inquiries. Once more, customers can reach out if they have urgent inquiries. Add a countdown timer to let customers know when the site will be back online, keeping them engaged and informed. After customizing the page, it's a good idea to test it before you go live with your updates. Try accessing your site from a different browser or in incognito mode to see what your visitors will experience. This helps ensure everything is set up correctly and that the password page displays as you intended. Make sure to deactivate maintenance mode once you're done with your updates to avoid blocking access to your site for too long. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you successfully enabled maintenance mode on your Shopify site, ensuring your updates are done seamlessly without disrupting customer interaction. This simple but effective strategy helps keep your store professional and well-organized while you're making improvements. Plus, it allows you to maintain transparency with your customers, showing them you're always striving to provide a better shopping experience. If you're planning major changes, consider sending out an email or posting on your social media channels to alert customers ahead of time. This way, they won't be caught off guard when your site is in maintenance mode. Thank you for watching and happy crafting on Shopify. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on running your online store.